welcome back to our channel Programming School. In this video, I'll be sharing you the details of Wipro Elite Off-Campus Drive for 2020 and 2021 graduates. I'll be sharing you the details of job description, eligibility criteria, and service agreement, other criteria, and the selection process. So do watch the video till end and don't forget to subscribe Programming School. Let's get started. So, when coming to the job description, Wipro wanted the freshers with initiative thoughts from different branches like computer science, information technology, and circuit engineering streams in India. When coming to the eligibility criteria, you need to have 60% or above in 10th, 12th, and degree. Qualification must be either BE, BTech, or you can also do 5-year integrated MTech. Students can also apply for this job role. All the streams allowed except the streams like fashion designing, food, textile, and agriculture. The designation of the role is project engineer, and the compensation that Wipro is going to pay is 3.5 lakhs per annum. When coming to the service agreement, it is applicable for 12 months post joining, and you need to pay 75,000 on pro rata basis. You can go through the other criteria like you can have 3 years of education gap in between 10th and graduation. Students should be recognized from central or state government of India with their full-time degree certificate. No part-time or correspondence or distance learning education is allowed in either 10th or 12th or degree. No current backlogs, and the students who have participated in any one of the selection process held by Wipro in the last 6 months are also not eligible for this drive. Students from Bhutan and Nepal nationals need to submit their citizenship certificate while applying for this job role. So let's get started with the selection process. So you will be having 3 different tests like aptitude test, which is of 48 minutes, written communication test, which is of 20 minutes, and online programming test, which is of 60 minutes. When coming to the online programming test, the candidates are eligible to choose any of the programming languages like Java, C, C++, or Python. So after the completion of the written test, you will be called for an interview if you have cleared the test. You will be calling for the technical interview as well as HR interview. You can also go through manager.campus@wipro.com, mail them any one of the queries that you have, and they'll be responding you back within the 3 working days. So let me show you the process how you need to apply for this job role. You can see the apply button right over here. So try clicking on the apply button and you will be redirecting to this page. So just give your email and then read all the required points that are mentioned by Wipro and click on next button. You will be asking some of your personal details like you need to give your resume, you need to upload your photo which is of white background, create a logins, enter your information, and then submit your profile. And that is how you just applied for the event of Elite Off-Campus 2020 and 2021. So do register fast and try to grab this opportunity. We will also be posting the videos of previous year questions and how to crack this written test of Wipro. So please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you.